Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you how to enable stickers on desktop in Windows 11. First go to Registry Editor and expand HKey Local Machine. And expand Software, next expand Microsoft. And expand Policy Manager. Also expand Device. Next right-click on Device and go to New, click on Key. Rename the key as Stickers. In the Stickers, right-click on right side, go to New and click on DWORD 32-bit value. Rename it as Enable Stickers and press Enter. Now double-click on it and set value data to 1 and press OK. And now you can add stickers to desktop. Also you can resize the sticker and delete stickers. Thanks for watching. See you later.